Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do rational numbers, chapter 1, exercise 1D. And question 1, multiple choice type. Here we have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. So this is the question given, the first question. We have 4 options. We are going to choose the correct answer from the 4 options given below. Minus 4 by 9 divided by minus 2 by 3 gives. Now the answer is one of these options. So let's work this out and see what we get. Minus 4 by 9 divided by minus 2 by 3. This is the question. So how do we work this out? We write the first rational number as it is. Minus 4 by 9. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of the second one. That is 3 by minus 2. Then we cancel what we can. We can cancel the minus signs. We can cancel 4 and 2 both by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. We can cancel 3 and 9 also. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now let's multiply the numerators and the denominators. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So our answer is 2 by 3. Let's see which option that is. So 2 by 3 is option A. So let's mark that. This is our correct answer, option A. Question 2. The rational number by which 1 by 2 should be divided to get minus 2 by 3 is one of these options. That means we take the rational number 1 by 2. Okay, so we take the rational number 1 by 2. Now this should be divided by a number. So this is the unknown number that we are going to find out. And the answer is already given to us as minus 2 by 3. So now children, as you can see, this is in the form of an equation, isn't it? A linear equation. And here there are fractions involved. So fractions in linear equations, you need to do it very carefully. So what we're going to do is first we're going to solve this part. Okay, so let's make that easier for ourselves. So like I said, this is an equation. Now let's do this division here. So that is 1 by 2. Now division will change to multiplication. Now x is x by 1. We write the reciprocal 1 by x. Okay, and on the right hand side we have minus 2 by 3. Now here let's solve this. So 1 into 1 is 1. In the denominator 2 into x is 2x. This is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now we can do cross multiplication. That is, I can multiply 1 and 3. These two. Okay, so what will I get? 1 into 3 is 3. So let's write that. So that is 3. Now let's cross multiply on the other side. So 2x into minus 2. 2 into 2 is 4 and that is minus 4 because there is a minus sign, minus 4x. So now what do we have? Now we have 3 is equal to minus 4x. Now to make my working easier, I'm going to move this unknown quantity to the left hand side. Now there is no rule that we have to move it to the left hand side, but this is just to make our work easier. So I'm going to write the same equation, just interchanging the sides. So now what will I have? I will have 4x on this side, that is minus 4x, and on the other side I have 3. So now I'm going to solve for x. X will be equal to, on the other side I have 3. Now here I have minus 4 into x. So I'm going to move minus 4 to the other side. Because it is multiplication, it's going to become division. So here I get minus 4. So what is my answer? My answer is 3 by minus 4 or minus 3 by 4. So this is my final answer. Now which option is this here? Minus 3 by 4, where do we have it? Here we have minus 3 by 4. So this is our answer, option B. Now children, whenever you have a question like this, you can substitute. Now remember, x is minus 3 by 4. Just to check whether our answer is correct, in the place of x, you can put minus 3 by 4 and see whether you're getting this answer. Shall we try that also? Okay, let's do that. So what are we doing now? We are checking to see if option B is the correct answer. So what we are going to do is, we are going to write 1 by 2 divided by x. In the place of x, we are going to write the answer that we got, that is minus 3 by 4. Now let's work this out and see what we get. So let's check this answer. So division will be 1 by 2. Division changes to multiplication. Minus 4 by 3 becomes 4 by minus 3. Now let's multiply and see what we get. Now here you can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what do we have now in the numerator? 1 into 2 is 2, and in the denominator we have minus 3. This can also be written as minus 2 by 3. So here when we solved this part with x as minus 3 by 4, we substituted x for minus 3 by 4, and then when we worked out we got minus 2 by 3, which is the answer given to us in the question. That means x that we have got here as minus 3 by 4 is the correct answer. So you can do that whenever you are finding an unknown number. Once you get the answer, if you want to check whether it's correct, replace that here and then see whether you are getting this answer. Okay, let's go on to the next question. Question 3. For three rational numbers a, b and c, which of the following is correct? So here there are four options. We have to see which is correct. Let's look at option A. It says a divided by b is equal to b divided by a. Now let's substitute with values. Let's say a is 2. So a is 2 and b is 3. So a divided by b means 2 divided by 3. This is equal to b divided by a, which is 3 by 2. This is what the statement says. Let's see if this is true. So here what we can do to find out is we can cross multiply. Let's multiply these two. So 2 into 2 we get 4. So on the left hand side we have 4. On the right hand side let's cross multiply and see what we get. 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So on the left we have 4. On the right we have 9, and they are not equal. So this statement is not true. Option B, a into b divided by c is equal to a divided by b into a divided by c. This is what it says, but let's substitute and see. So let a be 2. So wherever we have a, let's write 2. B, let it be 3. 3 and c, let it be 4. Now let's work out this. A into b divided by c. So a is 2 into 3 divided by 4. This is 2 into 3 by 4. Let's cancel and see what we get. Here we have 2 and here we have 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 1 to 3 is 3, 3 by 2. So on the left hand side we have 3 by 2. On the right, let's work this out. A divided by B into A divided by C. Let's see what we get. So A divided by B is 2 divided by 3 into 2 divided by 4. So this is 2 by 3 into 2 by 4. Let's cancel. 2 twos are 4, and these also we can cancel. So what do we have here? 1 by 3. So on the right hand side, what do we have? We have 1 by 3. On the left we have 3 by 2. On the right we have 1 by 3. The statement says they are equal, and as you can see they are not equal. So statement option B is also wrong. Now let's go to option C and let's substitute these with values. So again here also let's say A is 2. So wherever you have A, write 2. B, let's say, is 3. And then C, let's say it's 4. Now let's work this out. A divided by B divided by C. So that is 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. So this is 2 divided by 3 by 4. This is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1, division changes to multiplication, and then we have 4 by 3. Nothing to cancel, so we multiply the numerators. 2 fours are 8 by 3. So on the left hand side we have 8 by 3. Now on the right hand side, let's see what we have. So that is A divided by B divided by A divided by C. That is 2 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 4. So this is what we have, isn't it? So 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 4. Now 2 by 3 into 4 by 2. Now here we have only these two to cancel. So what do we have? We have 4 by 3. So on the right hand side we have 4 by 3. Let's write it here. 4 by 3. As you can see, on the left we have 8 by 3. On the right, we have 4 by 3. They are not equal to each other. That means this option is also not correct. So that means it's understood that since there's only one option left, that is the correct answer. But let's work this out also and see. Here it says the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So let's see 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3 and 4. We've substituted the values. Let's do this. A divided by B divided by C. That is 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. So this is 2 divided by 3 by 4. That is 2 by 1, isn't it? So 2 by 1 into 4 by 3. Nothing to cancel. So 2 4s are 8, 1 3s are 3. So on the left hand side we have 8 by 3. Now on the right hand side what do we have? Here we have A divided by B divided by C. That is 2 divided by 3 divided by 4. So let's take this 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 1. That is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. Cancel. So here we can cancel. 2 2s are 4. So here what do we have? In the numerator we have 1. In the denominator 3 2s are 6. So on the right hand side we have 1 by 6, and as you can see they are not equal, and this statement also says that, what does the statement say? That this left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. That means this statement is correct. So what is the answer to our third question? Option D. Option D is the answer to this question. Question 4. The product of two rational numbers is minus 7 2 by 3. If one of them is 3 5 by 6, what is the other number? Now we have done sums like this, isn't it? So one rational number is 3 5 by 6. Now when you multiply this with another rational number which we are going to call x, our answer is going to be minus 7 2 by 3. Now the question is, what is x? Find the value of x. So now first let's convert this. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 is 23. So that will be 23 by 6 into x, which is equal to, on this side we're going to multiply again. 3 7s are 21 plus 2, 21, 22, 23. So minus 23 by 3. Now we're going to solve for x. X is equal to minus 23 by 3. We're going to transpose this to the other side, that is 23 by 6 to the other side, because it is division. When it is multiplication, when it goes to the other side it becomes a division, divided by 23 by 6. So here x is equal to minus 23 by 3 into 6 by 23. So here we can cancel 23 and 23. 3 and 6, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So now what is left? We have x is equal to, in the numerator minus 2 and in the denominator 1. So minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now which option is that? Option D. So we've got our answer there. Question 5. 8 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 8. What is the answer? So 8 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 8. So this will become 8 by 3 into, now here we're going to write the reciprocal again, 8 by 3. So now 8 into 8 is 64. 3 into 3 is 9. 64 by 9 is our answer, which is option A. Now we're going to do questions 15 and 16. These are the new questions that have been added in the new book. Question 15. The area of a rectangular plate is given to us. The length is also given to us. We have to find the breadth and the perimeter. Now, this is something we have already learned. Area of a rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. And if you have to find the length, area by breadth. If you have to find the breadth, area by length. So here, first thing we need to find is the breadth. So what is given to us? Let's write. Given area is 5 by 7 meter square. This is given to us. We are also given the length, which is 3 by 4 meters. Now we have to find the breadth using the formula area by length. So let's do that. So that is area is 5, 5 by 7 divided by length, which is 3, 3 by 4. So now here 7 fives are 35 plus 5 is 40. We are converting it to an improper fraction, divided by 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 by 4. So this is equal to 40 by 7 into 4 by 15. Now let's cancel. We can cancel 15 and 40. So this will be 5 threes are 15, 5 eights are 40. So when we multiply, what do we get? We get 8 fours are 32 divided by 7 threes are 21. Now this we can convert to a mixed number. So let's divide 32 by 21. 21 ones are 21 minus 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 2 is also 1. So this is 111 by 21 meters. 111 by 21 meters. This is the breadth. Now that we have found the breadth, this is the first question, remember, we've been asked to find the breadth. So we found the breadth. Next thing is we have to find the perimeter. So this has already been given to us. The area, the length is given to us. Breadth is what we just found out, and that is 111 by 21. 111 by 21. Now we have to find the perimeter. And what is the formula to find the perimeter? Perimeter for rectangle equals 2 into length plus breadth. So let's do that. Perimeter equals 2 into L plus B, or length plus breadth. So 2 into, now how much is length? Length is 3 by 4 meters. This was already given to us, plus breadth, which we found out to be 111 by 21 meters. So now we have to do this addition and multiply it by 2. So 2 into, first step, let's convert. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So let's write that. So here we have 15 by 4 meters plus, let's convert here. This we already know, we've converted it. So 21 into 1 is 21 plus 11 is 32. 32 by 21 meters. So now for this, we have to find the LCM here. So let's continue with the brackets. LCM of 4 and 21. Let's do that. 4 and 21. First we can use 2. 2 twos are 4, 21. Continue with 2. 2 ones are 2. Again 21. This time we can use 3. 3 sevens are 21. And now we can use 7. Okay. So that is 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. That will be 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 sevens are 84. So that is 84. So the LCM here is 84. Now there are different ways of doing this. Remember, I taught you in the previous videos there are different ways of getting the numerators. So let's try that way now, a different way this time. That is, take the first rational number, that is 15 by 4, and multiply it by the LCM, which is 84. So here I can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. So 15 into 21. That is 315. So that's how we got a numerator this time. You can do this way also. Now let's go to the next one. Next one is 32 by 21 into 84. Now you can cancel 21 and 84. 21 fours are 84. Now multiply 32 into 4. So 32 into 4 will be 128. So let's write that there, 128. So this time we used a different method to find the new numerators. We used this method to find the numerators. Now let's continue. So if we continue this, this becomes 2 into 315 plus 128. You have to add up both, you get 443 divided by 84. Now here we can cancel 2 and 84. So 2 ones are 2, we can cancel that. And 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So what do we have? 443 by 42, which is an improper fraction. We can convert it to a mixed number. So let's divide 443 by 42. 42 ones are 42 minus 4 minus 2 is 2, 23. 23 is smaller than 42, so we put a 0. 42 into 0 is 0 minus 23. So now we have our mixed number, that is 10, 23 by 42. So we have found the perimeter. The unit is meters. So what is our answer? The perimeter is 10, 23 by 42 meters. So we have found the breadth in the previous question. So this is the breadth here, 11 by 21. That is our breadth here. This we found in the previous part. And now we found the perimeter also to be 10, 23 by 42 meters. Question 16. The area of a piece of paper is given to us. The breadth is given to us. Now we have to find the length and the perimeter. So now we can make out this is a rectangle. The breadth is given and perimeter length is asked. So it has to be different from this. So this is a rectangle. Now this is the formula to find the area of a rectangle, and if you have to find the length, this is the formula, area by breadth. And here first we have to find the length and then we have to find the perimeter. So what is given to us? Area is given to us 73 by 26 centimeters square. Breadth is given to us 9 by 13 centimeters. Now to find the length, the formula is area divided by breadth. So here let's do that. Area is how much? 7. 3 by 26. Now this is divided by the breadth, which is 2, 9 by 13. So let's do this division. So here we're going to first convert. 26 into 7 is 78. Is 182. 26 into 7 is 182 plus 3 is 185. The denominator is 26 divided by 13 into 2 is 26 plus 9 is 35. So that is 35 by 13. So this will be 185 by 26 into 13 by 35. Now we can cancel 13 and 26. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. Now we can cancel 35 and 185 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now here let's take 18. 5 threes are 15. 16, 17, 18. We have 3 there, so that becomes 35. 7. So 37 is our numerator here. Okay, so 37 into 1, so that will be 37. And in the denominator, 2 into 7 is 14. Now this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. 37 divided by 14. 14 twos are 28 minus, now here 17 minus 8 is 9. So what do we have here? We have 2, 9 by 14. We found the length and it's in centimeters, so that is centimeters. So what is our answer? We have found the length here and the length is 219 by 14 centimeters. So once again, now here we were asked to find the length and we found it to be 9 by 14 centimeters. Now we're going to find the perimeter. So let's write that. So we're going to find the perimeter now. Area is already given to us. Breadth is given. Length is what we just found out. We found it out to be 9 by 14 centimeters. Now to find the perimeter, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter equals 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into. Now what is the length? We found it out to be 9 by 14 plus what is the breadth? 9 by 13. Okay, so now we need to work this out. So this will be 2 into. Now let's multiply. 14 twos are 28. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37 by 14 plus 13 into 2 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 by 13. So now the denominators are different. We have to find the LCM. So 2 into, we will find the LCM and get the new numerator. So the LCM of 14 and 13. So let's begin with 2. 2 sevens are 14. We bring down 13. Then we continue with 7, 1 and 13. Now 13 is a prime number, so we can use that itself. So now what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 7 into 13. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 13. That is 182. So that is going to be our LCM. Okay, 182. Now look at the first fraction here. Okay, 37 by 14. 14 into 13. We just found out, isn't it? 2 into 7 is 14. And we said 14 into 13 is 182. So here 14 into 13 is 182. That means we have to multiply 37 also by 13. When you multiply, you get 481. So let's write that 481 plus. Now here we said 14 into 13 is 182. That means 13 into 14 is 182. Isn't it? Just the reverse here. So here we are going to multiply 35 also by 14. So 35 into 14 is 490. So let's write that down here. So now we have 2 into 481 plus 490 is 971 divided by 182. Now let's cancel 2 and 182. 2 ones are 2, 18 let's take, 2 nines are 18, 2 ones are 2. Now we have 971 by 91. 971 divided by 91. Now let's convert this to a mixed number. So this is 91. 91 ones are 91 minus 7 minus 1 is 6. 61. So this is 0 and 0 minus we have 61. So our mixed number will be 10, 61 by 91 and we have found the perimeter, so the unit is meters. So now we have found the value for the perimeter also, which is 10, 61 by 91 meters. We were asked to find the length. We found it out to be 29 by 14 centimeters and we also found the perimeter. So children, we will stop with this because these are the two questions that were added in the new book. The rest of the questions are in the previous video. Thank you, children.